Hey, what is going on, everybody? It is your man, Daniel Wiafe, coming at you from my personal home office. So, I am feeling a little bit under the weather, but I'm still going to go ahead and do these videos once a day like I promised a few days ago. So, hey, as you guys come on board, I'm actually recording this on Facebook Live. So go ahead and comment and let me know who is on board watching this. Let me know who's joining the party. If you're watching this as a replay, either on Facebook or YouTube, go ahead and pretend like this is new and go ahead and get in the comment area. Show me some love. Hit the like button. Hit the subscribe button. If you're watching this on YouTube, subscribe to my channel. We talk about a lot of good stuff about making money, fitness, and positivity and motivation. So what's up, Sabrina and Derek Smith? Nelson is in the house. What's up, Chris Boyd and Mr. Joseph Walker? Happy New Year to you as well. What's up, Alex Jacobs? How are y'all doing? So, hey, let me know how your New Year's went. All right. Derek said, Dr. Derek, he said dedication. Yes, I am dedicated to doing these videos once a day, Monday through Friday. Hello, Jennifer Michaud. How you doing? All right. So, look, go after something new this year. All right. So I'm going to say it again, go after something new this year. And I want y'all to go ahead and in the comments area, hashtag it, go after something new this year. You guys, we are creatures of habits, and that can be both good or it can be bad. Okay. Now it can be bad in the case if we keep ourselves in a steady state where we just keep on doing the old stuff. We keep on doing the things which are boring or which don't lead us to progress. It doesn't excite us, okay? Now, what happens is if you keep on doing the same thing over and over and over again repeatedly, okay, things are going to become stagnant in your life, okay? And I want you to go ahead and say no to stagnicity, stagnate. I don't know the proper way to say that, but you know what I'm trying to say. Just say no to being stagnant in your life. Say no to being stagnant in your business. Say no to being stagnant in your relationships. Say no to being stagnant, okay? So Derek said, go after something new. Yes, thank you, Jennifer and Sabrina and Joseph. And welcome to the broadcast, Victor Suggs. And so go after something new, all right? Even if it's just one thing, even if it's something that is minor, go after it, okay? Because it's going to add to your life, all right? And how you doing, Mr. Ramon Tooks from Atlanta, Georgia? All right? So even if it's something minor, you guys, even if it's something where you change the direction or the route that you take driving to your job or to your business or to pick up your kids from school, change it. Do something new, okay? Add something which will like add a little bit of jazz to your life, okay? Take up a new hobby, okay? If maybe you go out and you say, okay, well, I want to learn how to go ballroom dancing, okay? Or maybe I want to add to my business, so I want to learn how to do SEO, search engine optimizations, okay? Or maybe I want to do X, Y, and Z, okay? How you doing, Shantae Swan? Hey, it's all good. And so there's a few things which I'm going to do, you guys, just to mix up things in my life, okay, this year, which I may pursue after, okay? Give me 1 second, let me knock this message off of my screen. But beyond a shadow of a doubt, you guys, there's going to be some things that I'm going to do which are new this year, okay? And there's going to be some licenses that I go after. There's going to be some certifications that I go after. How you doing, Mr. Clyde Diamond? Happy New Year's to you, Johnny Blaze Davis. Hey, Shantae Swan. Thank you. And so there's going to be some things that I'm going to do that are new, which is going to challenge me, okay? And I want you to go ahead and hashtag that as well. Hashtag in the comments, challenge me. Hashtag challenge me. Hashtag challenge me. Okay. Don't be afraid to challenge yourself. Okay. You can only progress in life. You can only go further in life when you set challenges for yourself. Okay. Don't wait for the world to challenge you. make your own challenges in order to better yourself, okay? Because in order for a muscle to become bigger, to become stronger, to become more elastic, that muscle needs to be challenged either by the repetitive use of, let's say, lifting a weight, and then it gets stronger, it gets bigger, okay? And the same holds true with anything in our life, okay? But in order for you to grow bigger, to grow more elastic, to grow stronger, to grow better, okay, you guys, you must challenge yourself. And there's going to be some things in life where you're like, okay, well, God, I don't want to do this. You know, I don't want to have to call up these leads, or I don't want to have to go after the certification and take this test because it's going to be hard. You know, maybe you want to become a realtor. Okay. I don't want to do that. That would suck, right? I may fail it. I may have to retake the test. Okay. Who cares? Challenge yourself. Don't allow yourself to dig your grave in a cemetery of mediocrity. Okay. And I'm going to say that again. Hopefully I can say it again. Don't allow yourself to dig yourself in the cemetery, a grave called mediocrity, okay? I don't want to be mediocre, and I am willing to bet that you don't want to be mediocre either, okay? Matter of fact, if somebody wants to be mediocre, just say I give up in the comments area, okay? And don't do that. Don't give up. So, Victor Sugg says home inspection, okay? What's up, J. Paul Mills in Florida? What's up? What's up? Claude Diamond said WWDD, what would Daniel do? I love that. What's up, Steven Thompson? How you doing, my man? He's one of my coaches in the House Flipping Dojo Academy. How you doing, man? Happy New Year's. Okay, Jennifer, how you doing? Sabrina, yes, yes, yes. So challenge yourself. Sabrina, I believe, asked, how do you pronounce my last name? It's Wiafe. Wiafe, like we are free, okay? So challenge yourself in whatever it is, you guys, okay? There may be some new thing that you want to learn, or there may be something that may interest you, okay? It may not even give you anything monetarily, okay? But it will excite you. It will add to your creativity, okay? And that's something which I cannot stress enough is, if you can do something which will add to your creative fiber, to your creative being, many times, you guys, as entrepreneurs, and most of you guys that follow me, that watch me, if you're on Facebook, YouTube, wherever, okay, I have about, I think 30,000 people that follow my YouTube channel and other stuff, but most of you guys are entrepreneurs, okay, and you can add more money to your bottom line in whatever business you're in, you guys, by adding to your creative nature. Because by design, you guys, whenever our creative being is stressed or challenged to go further or to grow bigger, you guys, we become better, okay? And I'm going to try something new real quick. Deb Moore wants to join my broadcast. So I'm going to try this and see how it works. Never brought somebody into my my Facebook Live broadcast, okay? So Deb Moore, you are being added, so hopefully it allows you to come on board. All right. Deb, how you doing?
Hey.
Hey, you're on Candid Camera.
I'm just speechless right now. I watch you on Flipping the Heartland. You guys are amazing.
Oh, thank you, thank you, thank you. Are you in the U.S. or are you in Australia or?
Australia. Australia.
You're in Australia. Nice, nice. What time is it down there?
It is just almost 2 o'clock in the afternoon.
Oh, nice, nice. Do you know what time it is where I'm at?
No.
It's almost 7 o'clock at night.
Oh, okay. Nice.
It's almost 7 o'clock at night. It is. Oh, let me not show you that mess. But it is dark. So, yeah, thank you for watching, Deb. I appreciate that. So, right now, Flipping the Heartland, for some of you guys that followed it, it was showing here in the States, and then they're showing it, I know, definitely in Australia, and I believe Canada as well. So Thank you for being a viewer. But what do you think about the contents that we're talking about right now about 2018 and challenging yourself?
I love it. I love it. You're a real inspiration, and you've got such an energy. It's infectious.
Well, thank you. I appreciate it. I appreciate it. And so let me. Oh, Johnny Blaze Davis said, "Good day, mate."
G'day.
Hey, Malachi wants to
G'day.
say hi.
Hi. Oh. Do you see any kangaroos?
We do from time to time. They hop down the street. We do.
I don't think kangaroos and koala bears run wild in Australia.
Yeah, but you can find them only in Australia.
This kid. So Deb, let me ask you this one thing, okay? What's that?
Oh, we've got kangaroos in the hills. They come into town now and then.
That is so cool. That is so cool. So let me ask you this, Deb. Before I end, what is one thing that you will do to challenge yourself in 2018?
Lose weight. Lose weight.
I love it.
Yeah, lose weight. Yeah. Get fitter.
How many pounds?
Sorry?
How many pounds?
In kilos, I'm about 115 kilo. So I've got a fair bit to shift.
Okay. So what I'll do, what I'm saying, is definitely with your goals, Deb, you want to make them where you can actually put a number to it. And so determine how many kilos you want to get to, okay? And determine what your end goal is, just so that you can have an exact amount that you know that you need to get to. And that'll help you reach your goal even faster, just because you can identify it and you know an exact number on what you need to get to. So that'll like tremendously help you. And for anybody that, let's say, hey, as Sabrina said, you got this, Deb. They're cheering you on,
Oh,
Deb.
thank you.
So, but yeah, so anybody that's wanting to lose weight, you need to make sure your goals are SMART, meaning that they're specific, they're measurable, that they're attainable, that they're reachable, and the T stands for timely. Okay, so you say, hey, I want to lose 10 pounds. I'm not exactly sure what that transcribes into kilograms, but I want to lose 10 grams by March 2018. And I'm going to do it by going to the gym 3 times a week. And you just get really, really specific with what the action plan is. And that just totally allows you to get out there and kick butt and take names later. And you guys can apply that to business, making money. You can apply that to your relationships that you have. You can apply that to like pretty much anything which is important in your life. So you are so awesome, Deb.
Thank you, Daniel.
You got this. All
Yeah,
right,
mate.
awesome. Well, you have a good day, and definitely, hey, you see me on live, go ahead and request to jump on again, okay?
Cheers. Thank you.
All right, cheers to you. All right, I love it. I love this new thing with Facebook Live, how they allow you to bring new people on board. So, hey, go ahead and you guys and hit the thumbs up and the love buttons. And I love the way that you guys are so inspirational and supportive of each other, you guys. One thing that I'll say, you guys, is I believe that we reap what we sow. Okay, that's an old biblical principle. And if you can show love, if you can show support, if you can show encouragement for somebody else, then guess what happens to you naturally? What happens to you naturally and spiritually, you guys, is if you show support, love, and encouragement to somebody else, then that same love, encouragement, and inspiration is going to happen into your life, okay, in tenfold, 30-fold, 90-fold, okay? So it's called the law of reciprocity. Okay, you reciprocate what you put out into the world. All right. Some people call it the law of attraction. You attract what you put out there into the universe or the world. Okay. I call it, from a biblical standpoint, the law of reciprocity. Okay. So whatever it is that you do, you guys, if you want more peace in your life, if you want more money in your life, if you want more good tidings in your life, go ahead and put that out there into the world. All right. Many of us, we want to make more money, okay? But we are so like intent on holding on to our last dollar, okay? We don't want to help nobody else on. We don't want to help anybody around us. We're scared to give our dollar away to good causes or to help other people. But if you're scared to give money to other people or soar into other people's lives or help other people that are around you, then you're going to be hard pressed to get that back in your life. Okay. So just think about that, you guys, and be blessed. All right. But I'm going to read some of these comments and I'm going to dip out. All right. And I loved having Deb on board. What's up, Darnell and Lathan Raman and Dewan? How you doing, my man? All right. Cool, cool, cool. Juan Martinez, he says, that's right, bro. Johnny says, discipline is the key. Steady progress. Okay. So you guys remember, challenge yourself. Challenge yourself, be excellent, reach for the top, make no excuses. All right. So peace and God bless y'all, and I will see y'all later. Oh, go ahead and share this broadcast with your friends and your frenemies and all that good stuff.